Income Tax ITR5 Excel utility now available for filing. Who needs to file an income tax filing 2025? The Income Tax Department has released the ITR5 Excel utility for assessment year I200 and 2425, enabling eligible entities to file their annual income tax returns with updated reporting features. NaNaN ITR5 is designated for entities other than individuals, Hindu undivided families, HUFs, companies, and those required to file ITR7. Eligible filers include NaN partnership firms, limited liability partnerships, LLPs, associations of persons, AOPs, bodies of individuals, artificial juridical persons, cooperative societies, societies registered under the Societies Registration Act, local authorities, certain business trusts and investment funds. NaN's individual taxpayers, HUFs, companies, and entities under ITR7 provisions are not permitted to use this form. NaNaN key updates for I200 and 2425 include new sections for MSME registration and Section 80 IAC startup deductions, along with expanded reporting for emerging income categories like virtual digital assets, crypto, NFTs. Filing can be done online through the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal using a digital signature or verification code. Offline submission is also available. No supporting documents are required, but tax credits must match Form 26 as. NaNaN non-audited entities July 31, 2025. Swipe left for next video. Audited accounts October 31, 2025. Transfer pricing audit November 30, 2025. Before filing, taxpayers must ensure portal registration, bank account validation for refunds, updated digital signatures, and submission of applicable statutory forms. Latest blogs.